Ordering a course. The NFHS Learning Center makes ordering a course a quick and easy process. First, sign into your account. Next, either use the search bar at the top or select your respective tab in the light blue bar next to Courses For to find a particular course. Once you have found the course, hover your mouse over the image for that particular course. For free courses, you can instantly have the course added to your account by clicking Start Learning, or you can go to the course's landing page by selecting View Details. For paid courses, click Add to Cart. A pop-up window of your cart will appear, showing the course name, state you're taking the course in, and the price. If the information looks correct, click the blue checkout button at the bottom of the window. From here, you will enter your credit card information and billing address information. You will then click the checkbox below to agree to the NFHS refund policy. Double check that your order summary is correct. If everything looks correct, scroll down and click the blue Pay Now button. A confirmation email will be sent, and the course will be added to your dashboard under My Courses.